of all, my hair smells delicious. Like, I want to eat my hair, but I can't. Good morning, good afternoon. How's your day going? Today is Sunday. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna try out this mask and see how my hair feels afterward. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? You just saw I finished making the hair mask and now I am about to go and wash my hair. I'm going to use some shampoo to wash out the product and then apply the mask into my hair, and I'm going to leave it in there for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, and then wash it out. I applied the mask on my hair and I have some left, so I put it in the fridge. But this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see properly. First of all, my hair smells delicious. It smells like a whole smoothie on my hair. Like, I want to eat my hair, but I can't. So I set an alarm for for an hour, and I'm going to wash my hair out within an hour. I know my lips are looking a little dry. Sorry about that. But yeah, so my hair is going to be washed out in about an hour. It smells wonderful. Applying it onto my hair, it wasn't hard or anything like that, too difficult. My hair didn't feel dry up or anything. So I am excited to see what this is gonna do, because my hair is actually breaking, so I know it's time for a protein treatment, and I know that the egg in the mask is going to help my strands to be stronger. So I'm excited to see what is going to be the result of this. So I will come back to you guys when I am done washing my hair out and everything and I'm ready to style it. I washed out the mask out of my hair, and off the bat I can say that my hair is soft. It's very soft. It's very much hydrated. This is the back of my head. This mask was a really good mask. I don't even know if I will ever buy another mask in the store, because one, this is all natural products. The coconut oil, the avocado, banana, and the egg, the yolk. That's all natural products, you know. If you are allergic to coconut oil, you can substitute it for olive oil, or some other grapeseed oil or something, or avocado oil. You can substitute it with that and do your mask for your hair. But I really did enjoy this mask. I thought that it was really good. Can't say that enough. And I will be doing it again. I have some more left and I put it in the refrigerator, so I think I'm gonna do another mask in my hair in about 2 weeks or so. So I am going to style my hair. My hair feels really soft, and I think it's because of the coconut oil. It just has my hair feeling very soft, like real soft. Smell good, smell real good. So I am about to just style my hair, or just put some leave-in and some, you know, just style up my hair, put some braids in it, and call it a day. So I'm just gonna do my hair really quickly, and I'm just gonna show you what I did to my hair and end the video off. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I am done putting 4 cornrows in my hair, and I just want to show you really quickly. It's just 4 basic braid plaits. You can see my pins. But that's all I did to my hair, and tomorrow's the holiday, so I'm going to style my hair for the week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you will try it out. My hair feels really good, smells good, feels strong and healthy. I don't have much fallout at all. Okay, this is all that I got. That's it. Take care. God bless you. If you haven't given your life to Jesus, I would encourage you to do so, because Jesus is the answer for the world today. And in Christ you find your identity. That's where I found my identity. So it's a very freeing, liberating life to live for the Lord. So I would encourage you to give your life to Christ. Bye.